Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y90 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to this ringtone section, and as you can see, we can change the ringtone for calls, for the messages and notifications. What's more, those options, I mean the phone and the messaging tone, are also divided between two different SIM cards. So you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for the second one, which is quite cool and useful. So let me show you how to change the ringtone using the phone ringtone itself. And as you can see here, you can change the SIM cards. So let me change it for the first SIM card. Here we've got the options like the vibration, so we can decide what kind of pattern we want to have set. We can pick the ringtones from music on device or video ringtones, which simply means that if you will have any compatible files, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But here we've got the presets, so we've got defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. So we've got quite a lot of options, I would say. Maybe it's not really impressive. I mean, this list is not impressive, but still we can pick something. And at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option none, which simply means that your device will not use the sound feedback to notify about the incoming call. So you have to decide if it is a good idea. Probably you will need it. So let me focus. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And let me volume up. Okay. And as you can hear, you can check basically all of them. Just tap on it and listen to it. And if you will decide that you want to set this particular ringtone, so for example, in my case, this flipped one, just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, actually it is immediately notified right here. As you can see, for this first SIM card, we've got the flipped one, which we just set, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. And of course, it will work the same with all other options. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your HUAWEI Nova Y90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.